Hello everyone, welcome. We're gonna play some Wesker, but as always I'm gonna tweet this out and check the quality of the stream and I'll be right back. And we're back. We're back. Okay, I don't have my glasses on, so I'm gonna struggle reading chat, but it's fine. It's fine. I don't care. I'm just making sure everything's running fine. Let's go, let's do this. Oopsie. Okay, note to self, not to lean. Well, actually I can lean. Here we go.
A Midwestern town in America, Raccoon City, a solitary island far off in the sea, Rockfort Island, an island that would become the second Raccoon City, Sheena Island. There are still many unanswered questions about these seemingly unrelated yet intensely traumatic events. Though it is believed that the international enterprise umbrella was somehow involved, little is known as to the origin of this faceless corporation. When was it established? By whom? And how was the T-virus created? To uncover the truth, we must delve deeper into the events which transpired in the beginning, before the mansion incident.
Do you think so too?
Yeah.
Do about it.
Hold off for a while.
But I wonder how those R&D people would react to this.
It began as a simple investigation of some bizarre murders in the suburbs of Raccoon City. Nothing in our training could ever have prepared us for the nightmare that ensued. We never stood a chance.
What's going on? Engine failure. Emergency landing. Oh.
Check the current position and investigate the surrounding area.
Captain, look! Captain!
What happened?
Court order for transportation. Prisoner Billy Cohen, ex-lieutenant, 26 years old. Court-martialed and sentenced to death July 22nd. Prisoner is to be transferred to the Regathon base for execution.
Those poor soldiers. They were good men just doing their jobs, and that scum murdered them and escaped.
All right, everyone, let's separate and survey the area. Our friend is brutal and ruthless. Keep your guard up.
A train.
And I'm back. What's up, Bare Bones? What's up? I like to stay quiet during the cutscenes. I like to be very, very quiet. Alright, here's what's gonna happen. I'm gonna be playing as Rebecca, well, for now. As soon as we meet Billy, which is gonna be Wesker, I'm gonna play full-time Billy. And so I'll give all the ammunition to our little friend. Alright, so this is... Okay, I'm getting confused with the controls already. So this is run... okay, I wish I could switch them, but I'll have to get used to them. How do you quick turn? How do you quick turn? How do you quick turn? Alright, so that's how you quick turn. Okay. Just need to get used to the controls, that's all. Alright, let's go. Hang on. Of course, Bare Bones, that's why I do it on YouTube. I'm not a big fan of YouTube. Well, actually, I almost hate YouTube. But, yeah. I get what you mean. I want to keep everything in one place. My videos, my streams, everything.
This is Officer Chambers from STARS Bravo team. Please identify yourself. Is someone there?
The government has announced that it has uncommon, but as of 2 years ago...
Am I subscribed to you? I'm not even sure if I'm subscribed to you. Hang on, let's see. I'm gonna find out. I hover over your username. I'm not subscribed to you. Is this a new channel? Ah, there you go, confusing the controls again. No, 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 this one's closer. No! Ah, that's the only thing I hate about cameras. These fixed cameras. One bite and already. You see? Come on, come get some.
What just happened?
The girl from The Last of Us? No, I don't think so. I don't think she looks anything like her. No, I'm damaged already. Look at that. Look at that. It won't last long. This is gonna be a very easy mode with Wesker because he has laser shooty eyes. Laser shooty eyes. Not proud of the old one? Why not? Why not proud of the old one, buddy? Come on, man. An herb. Come on, pick it up. As soon as I switch to Wesker, things are gonna be so much easier. So, I'm not gonna pick up the increments because I don't think... Really? I used the increment and already... Sorry, increment. I used the herb and I'm still damaged? Wow. Well, anyway, Barebones, I'll come to your streams. And now we're gonna see Wesker. No, actually, it's not gonna be Wesker. Yes, it is gonna be Wesker. Look how cool he looks.
Billy. Lieutenant Cohen.
So, you seem to know me. Been fantasizing about me, have you?
You're the prisoner that was being transferred for execution. You were with those soldiers outside.
Oh, I see. You're with stars. Well, no offense, honey, but your kind doesn't seem to want me around. So, I'm afraid
Chat
our
still
little
seems
chat
massive. I'm
time
gonna
is over.
shrink it down a bit.
Wait! You're under arrest.
No thanks, Dollface. I've already worn handcuffs.
I could shoot, you know.
Let's see. I think it's okay now.
Edward! Are you alright? What happened?
There we go. I
Worse
think it's fine now.
We can't. You must be careful, Rebecca. The forest is full of zombies and monsters.
Zombies and monsters.
Yeah, I fixed it. Yeah, it was a bit messy, but it's okay now. It's all right now. We're good. Come on, let's hang out with Wesker. I want to play as Wesker. It's so easier with him. I don't know why, but chat always loses its settings every stream I play. Every stream I make something like that. Come on. Ah, dang it, it's that thing again! Where I don't know what's around next camera. I hate pushing the wrong button to run. And the thing is, I don't think I can change it. Hang on, I want to change... Oh, what the heck? Nope, wrong button. No, there's no way to change it, is there? Nope. Ah! Hang on, options. Controls. Hang on, I want to see if I can change the controls because it's iffy. Status or reload. No. There's more actually. Type D. Status or reload. I want those. I want the circle. Action attack or reload. No. 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 Yes. None of them are what I want. So go back. Oh, actually display. No, that's not what I was gonna look for. Brightness. I was gonna increase the brightness because of the via game settings. What the what? Come on. I want it a bit brighter because of the stream. I don't know if it's gonna make any difference, but I'll keep it that way for a bit. Let's see if it makes any difference. Hello, Luca! Welcome! CLR plugin. CLR. The CLR browser. Yes, I do. I do use that, yes. Ah, I keep pressing the wrong button. Let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Go up here? Up here? I forgot already. I forgot where I need to go. I only finished this game once, by the way. It was a while ago.
This is Rebecca. Over. Enrico! Hello! Can you read me? Please respond.
Rebecca, I can hear you. Now listen up. We've obtained detailed information on the fugitive from a document found in the wrecked wagon. Billy Cohen killed as many as 23
His name is Wesker. 23 people. How is that possible?
Also confirmed that he was institutionalized. So keep your guard up. Can you hear me, Rebecca? Over. Stay alert, Rebecca. You wouldn't think twice before killing you.
Enrico! Captain! Hello?
I think it's because I switched from PlayStation 4 to PlayStation 3. Maybe that's why I keep losing settings. I don't know. I don't touch them. They always stay the same. But sometimes I keep feeling that it's something to do with that. I don't know. Come on, I'm looking forward to switch over to Wesker, and then I'll play Wesker. I'll play with Wesker full time.
It's gonna be dangerous from here on in. Why don't we cooperate?
Cooperate with you?
Listen, little girl, if you haven't noticed, there's some pretty freaked out things on this train. And I, for one, want to get out of here. I don't think we stand a chance doing it alone.
You expect me to trust you, a wanted felon? I don't need your help. I can handle this on my own. And don't call me little girl.
And don't call me little girl. Oh my
Right, Miss,
goodness.
do it yourself.
You're begging to be called little girl.
The name is Rebecca Chambers, but that's Officer Chambers to you.
I don't think so. I don't think so. I don't think I'll play Rocket League. It's not like my game. I don't like cars and I don't like football. So very unlikely that I'll play Rocket League. It's not my thing. The only cool thing about Rocket League is that there's the DeLorean from Back to the Future in it. And I was tempted to buy it just because of that. This scene always freaks me out. This scene freaks me out. I've had nightmares.
Excuse me, sir. Sir.
I lost my head there for a second. Only recently I discovered that you don't actually have to fight this guy. He's made out of snot. Alright, let's go. I don't have to fight this guy, apparently. I can just do this. Yes, it does, bare bones. Yes, it does. It saves it as a video. So even if, I'm gonna be honest with you, even if I have 0 viewers when I'm streaming, it's fine because I'm recording it as a video so people can watch it later. You know? So I'm never really talking to myself.
Are you okay?
Like I said, I love having all my stuff in one place, you know? I do my videos and my things, and I have my subscribers, people love my videos. To start over from Twitch, it's a chore. It's easier, Twitch is easier, it's a better platform, I know. This guy is singing in the rain. I'm singing in the rain. Just singing in the rain. But yeah, it's nice to have all your stuff in one place, that's what I mean. I am Wesker.
That guy.
7 minutes is all I can spare to play with you.
What's going on? Who's controlling the train?
Go and check out the first engine car. Listen, we gotta cooperate with each other from now on. You got that?
Well, I don't...
Clue in, girl. Or maybe you
I
like
hate the
being
fact
more
that
big.
I love Wesker's
All right.
voice so much that I hated that he has got
I
Billy's
will
voice in
shoot
this
you
game.
if you try
I hate it
anything
so
further.
much. Kingdom,
Fine.
welcome,
Take these with you.
welcome. It is disgusting, that part. Yeah, it's
If you
given
find
me
anything,
nightmares
give me a
sometimes.
call, all right?
I think the best way to get used to this game is by playing the Wesker mode, because you get like the superpower. You can easily rush through the game. I think. I don't know. But again, it's my first time playing it. Not my first time playing it. First time playing it as a Wesker. As Wesker. And now, time to switch. I am Wesker. Whoa! Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Marathon. Hang on. Oh, I love it. And then there's this superpower. Look at that. Hang on. Kamehameha. Love it to bits. Okay, let's see if he dropped anything, this leech man. Did he drop anything? No, but there's something up here. There's a ladder here. It seems to lead up to the roof. Climb up the... Sure, why not? Is there a way we can disable that? Disable what? Sorry. I don't know. I think there is. Why would you disable it anyway? Can I run now? No, I can't run because we're crouching. So I might as well change to her. Get out of my way. But why is it a pain? Why is it a pain? Because I finished it and I didn't think it was a pain. People complain that this game is hard and long and there's a "that's what she said" joke somewhere in there. But hang on, no, I need to be Wesker if I want to. No, I'm gonna be trapped. I'm gonna be trapped down there. So hang on. If I'm gonna be trapped, hang on. I'm thinking. I want to play as Wesker. If I'm gonna be trapped. No, I want to play as her. I don't think it's that bad. I don't know. Again, I only finished it a long time ago. And just once. So, still a noob at this game anyway. I think it's an awesome game. Oh, it's a good thing I went down with her. Look at that. Because now I can take the herb. Ooze. Ah, we're both fine now. Fantastic. And now, the controls are annoying me. I'm so used to running with the square button. Ah, okay. Okay, yeah, so that's what's gonna happen. I'm gonna go down here. Okay. You don't want to have gaming related videos. So what kind of live streams do you plan on doing, Barebones? It is hard, eh? I admit it is a bit hard, yeah. But maybe Wesker mode will make it easier. I don't know. I want to be able to speed through this game. Speed run, speed through. The service lift is stopped at the first floor. Code, no. And it's time to switch. Okay, Wesker. You're up. Come on, man. I always wonder if this is realistic. A moving train and a fast moving train, and he's just walking on top of the... Is it realistic? Can you do that in real life? Or is it... Because I've seen many... Again, I'm going to talk about Back to the Future, but they jump on the trains from one car to another. They just run like it's nothing. Can you do that? Or you just fall off with G-force? I don't know. So she's stuck in there. She is stuck in there. So I'm gonna go down here. 6 hours my fastest run this game. It's funny how you say that. I tried to do a fast run, and you're gonna laugh at this one, Kington, because you're good at it. You're good at this game. I tried to do a speed run of Resident Evil 1, HD Remaster, I mean, and my best time is 5 hours. Yeah, so there's that. If I'm not mistaken, you are good at... Okay, so you are good at Resident Evil Remastered, yeah? I don't need the gun. I'm gonna... No! What if I keep pressing the wrong buttons? Look at that. There you go, 2 hours, 5 minutes. There is a game, Luca. You're in for a surprise if you've never heard of it. Because I'm gonna be playing it. And probably get copyright sued or something. But I am gonna play it. There is a Back to the Future game. Oh yeah. Yeah, that's fantastic. I would definitely watch. Do you get a lot of viewers on Twitch? Watching that kind of stuff? Okay, so what was I gonna do? Ah yeah, I was gonna disable my gun. I don't need my gun. That's it, I don't need the gun. I'm gonna walk, relax, without a gun in this game. Like that. Like that, I'm gonna walk. Like that. I'm gonna finish this. I'm not going to bed before I finish this. But then again, it's only 1 PM. Now I wanna show you the effects of my superpowers. Look at this, guys. Look at this. Pew! So awesome. And it's very overpowered, by the way, huh? This laser thing is very, very overpowered. Look, I killed 2 of them, actually. Look. 2 of them are dead. Look at him, walking like a boss. Yes, there is, and I'm gonna be playing it very soon. It's really good. It's really good. Taking a stroll, taking a stroll. Oh, look. A wild zombie appeared. No problem. Booyah! Oh well. Just gonna keep walking. I love it. So relaxing. Hang on. Art videos on your channel and YouTube gaming and live stream games. Okay. Let's see. Okay, if this is locked, where am I supposed to go? Ah, it's this one, is it? I always wondered, how do they know? How do they know that they no longer need the key? I always wondered that. That reminds me, I need to stop by the item box. I think I should do it now while I'm here. Hang on, what's this? I don't need that. I don't need that. Yes, I am. Yes, I am. Yes. Yes, I am. It's called Back to the Future. It's a good game, huh? It's a good game. Try again. Telltale Games have a reputation now of doing good games, and I like the Back to the Future one. I'm not fond of their graphics. I wish they made better looking games, but they do good games. I thought there was an item box here. Looks like not. Let's go. Never mind. Take your time, Luca. Take your time. Okay, so which way? This way? No, not this way. Yes, this way. There's a switch here. Flip it. Yes, flip it. Have you played this more than once, King Tim? Oh yeah, that's right, there are no item boxes in this game. My goodness, what a noob. Oh my goodness, what a noob. You are so right. My goodness, I completely forgot. Oh, I feel like such a noob right now. Yes, that's right, there are no... I'm an idiot. I can drop the items, leave. I don't need this. And I don't need this. Leave. Oh my goodness, I feel like such a noob. Yeah, you've played it more than once then. It shows that I've only played this once, eh? I finished this once. That was a while ago. I need this. I wish, yeah, it was awesome, eh? It was really awesome. And speaking of YouTube channel and editing backgrounds and stuff, I want to get a new banner. I want to get a new banner. The one I have is kind of lame now. I can do better than that. Oh, look at that. Not for me, obviously. It's for Rebecca. Rebecca, you're in for a treat next time I see you. There's nothing in here. Let's go. So do you think the Wesker mode's going to make it easier? You should make it easier, yeah? I hope. It should make it easier. And not a lot of backtracking now that I have a lot of item inventory space. I want to show you how cool... If you're not familiar with the Wesker mode, Tim, I want to show you how fast you defeat the Scorpion with the Wesker mode. It really is very, very, very overpowered. Look, check out how overpowered it is. Hang on, I didn't recharge it. Oh, I didn't recharge it well. Hang on, try again. Try again, I can do better. I need to aim down! I remember it being... He died already. He died. He's gone. He's gone. He's just posing. He's just making a dramatic death thing. I need this. You know what the best part of this game is? You know what the best part of this game is the fact that you visit certain areas from Resident Evil 2. The factory. I love it so much. And I keep pressing the wrong button again. Let's go. Why do I keep forgetting that I can run? I can sprint. Jackhammer! Jackhammer, welcome! Hang on, can I sprint through zombies? Hang on, can we do that? Let's just wait till a few zombies show up and then we can try it. Okay, here we need to use the thing of the... Wait a minute, I didn't pick it up? I am such a noob. We'll have to go back for it, don't worry. The vloggy people is everywhere. I love that saying. Wait a minute. I go up, no, not up here, down here. Let's go. Let's set her free. I want to break free. No, I need to call the stupid thing first. Yeah, it is a remake thing. It is a remake thing. You're in for a treat, buddy. Sending this to Rebecca. You're in for a treat, Jack. I'm gonna show you something really awesome now. Hang on. Not now. When the time is right, I'll show you. Take this. Welcome back, Luca. I keep pushing the wrong button. Let's go. Now you're gonna use this here. There we go. I can't wait to show you, Jack. I am so happy with my superpowers. No! Ah! The buttons are confusing me. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Hang on! I need to go up there, actually. Because he... No!
Ow! Oh! Oh!
No, wrong turn. No, we're good. What do you mean your name tag blue? You mean like the little blue mark on the side? That's because they're moderators, Luca. That's because they're moderators. They're VIPs. They're VIPs. Wesker! Let's go meet up Wesker. What is this? Okay, I'm gonna quickly go and get the... The thing. The thing of the things. I don't know where Wesker is. I forgot where I left Wesker. Hang on a sec. Up here, yeah? There we go. He knows, he knows. Actually, I should make that one of my rules. I don't think it's my Steam rules not to beg for a mod. I don't get it much, really. I don't really get it much, but it doesn't hurt to have it. And it's funny how recently I had one as well. He's like, hey, you're doing well on YouTube. And I'm like, yeah, well. And he's like, oh, I don't want to deal with them. Hang on. And then he starts talking about his YouTube, how he's not doing just as well as I am. I don't think of me as doing well, but anyway. And then he goes, I admire you so much. And I'm thinking, I know where this is going. I'm gonna wait for it. And then he goes, you mind giving me a shout out? Come on, dude. Come on, man. It's nice how subtle they are, certain people. And it's a guy I've never seen before, you know? I think. Where is Wesker? I lost Wesker. I forgot where I left him. Subs on YouTube Gaming are different from subs. Are you kidding me? No way. What? There's Wesker. Wesker! What's up, buddy? Now, how do I tell him to follow me? I forgot how it's done. Fine. There he is. Fine. There's his voice. There's his voice.
I'll go.
Fine. And now, time to switch. Time to Wesker it up again. Hang on, I have some stuff to give her, however. These are yours. I have to leave them on the floor. I can't just give them. I can exchange, though. Exchange? I want the key items. You can take the ammo. Oh, and you can have this, too. But I'm gonna have to leave it on the floor, apparently. And then you pick it up. Let's switch it up again. And where do I go from here? Yeah, I know. Are they different? Seriously, guys. This is new to me, huh? Did you see that? Did you see that, Jack? Did you see that? This one's for you, look. Oh, man. Oh, man. I love it so much. And then he can sprint. He'd be like, I'm in a marathon. I love it so much. Kingdom, you're funny, man. Hang on! There we go. Any more? Any more? I don't think there's any more. Time to sprint! I love it. So wait a minute. I'm gonna put the controller down for a bit. Hang on. I'm gonna see if I can subscribe to myself on. I don't know. Let's see if it works. Hang on. Hold on. No, I don't even get the sub button, no. But I need to check that out. Because I noticed I get some sub notifications for some people and I don't get some for the others. So maybe I sub to them on YouTube Gaming, assuming that I'm subbing to them on YouTube. Okay, that's new, huh? That's a game changer for me, to be honest. Use. What do you mean I can't use it now? Am I not supposed to use it? Oh no, this is a... No, I'm an idiot. I'm an idiot. This is to open the manhole cover, actually. I need the grappling hook for over there. I remember. Yes, he did. He's a Super Saiyan. I'll need to check that out, to be honest with you, though. I think there is a theory. I think you're onto something, though. Now, which way? This one's locked. No. Something as simple as the train is confusing me. And it's not even that hard. I love how Rebecca is Wesker-ized in this game, in this mode. You see how she's Wesker-ized? She has Wesker-ized as an adjective. Look, she's wearing the same clothes more or less, and she has red eyes just like him. I like that. Guys, check this out. Hang on. Guys, check this out. I'm gonna go back into this room just to make a joke. Hold on. Rebecca. Last one at the door is a Teletubby. Hang on, I failed. Last one at the door is a Teletubby. Wanna race, Rebecca? Wanna race? Last one to the door is a Teletubby. Go! And I failed! Oh, it's so funny. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. No, I didn't mean the I thing, but yeah. She has been Weskerized as an adjective. Okay, this is where I need to use the thing. Use. I keep missing! Did we get injured? She did. Can I ask her to... Oh, I can give her these as well. Leave. I'm trying to remember why I need the gas tank. What do I need? Why do I need the gas tank? I'm confused. Why do I need the gas tank? I forgot. I'm gonna take it anyway. Rebecca, there's shotgun shells. You might want to take them. She's full. My goodness. Hang on. Oh, I keep messing up. Stupid controls. Combine. Let's go, Rebecca. yeah, that's right. Yeah. That's right. Now I need to use this. But how lame is this? No, you need to stay there.
I'll put you over there.
Fine.
There we go. Let's go. I don't need instructions. I don't need anyone else. Ah, I left her there. I hate pushing the square button. I keep thinking it's the run button.
Come.
Roger.
Watch out. Come on, wait. No, wrong button, buddy. I'm still getting used to the controls. There we go, we got the buttons, yeah. So much faster to get one from one place to another. Oh, I left her behind again. So good. So good. Love it. Oh, come on. I can't combine. I thought I could combine. Oh. That's weird. No. Okay. I know nothing of this game. I'm not taking the knife. I don't need it. I don't need it. Now this reminds me of Gremlins. Kind of. When they hatch. Ew. I hope they don't deal damage. Alright, so we're back. And now where do I go? I'm supposed to find a briefcase somewhere. I am confused. Let's try going up there again. Hang on. No, there's nowhere to go except here. Alright, let's go down here once again. Must be missing something. I need to find a briefcase, that's all I remember. Maybe it's here? Okay, if you can tell me, I'd appreciate that. I don't feel like looking around. It's not here, is it? There's shotgun shells on the floor. Look at that, I missed those. I can't carry anymore. Are you kidding me? Oh, come on. I keep pushing the wrong buttons. Oh man, I'm gonna have to leave them there. I don't feel like coming back. When I press the button. Yeah, is it there? Is it there? Did I miss it? Wow, I need to be careful. No, there it is. Oh my goodness. Thank you so much. But I cannot carry this item right now. I hate myself. Even though I'm not carrying any weapons, I'm still having a hard time. Open up, buddy. Open up. This big briefcase and all there was inside is the key card. Oh well. Well. You know what? I'm going back up here real quick just so I can gather the shotgun shells. In here you go. Key card goes in here. Actually, I can just roll Rebecca. Come on, Rebecca, let's go. Ah, stupid wrong button. I'm gonna use it anyway. I don't care. No, the upcoming puzzle confuses me. I don't know how to do the upcoming puzzle. I need help if anybody knows. I don't want to die and I don't want to save either.
Come on!
Fine.
This is Delta Team. This is Delta Team. We have gained control of the train. Over.
Understood.
Now there's two
This
Weskers.
doesn't make any sense. How was the T-virus leaked? And why did it contaminate both the lab and the mansion, as well as a train almost 3 miles away?
That's irrelevant. We must make sure no knowledge of this gets out. Destroy the train. Completely. How far away are you from the nearest branch line?
About 10 minutes to...
What happened?
It's math. Uh-oh. I used to be good at math.
The train will either derail or crash. I gotta stop this thing.
Who will stay behind? Let's keep Rebecca here.
Back deck and manipulate the control panel for the brake. Then you apply the brake from here, okay?
All right. Billy,
What?
be careful.
Yeah.
Alright, let's go. Let's go. I'm starting to feel stressed out already. I'm worried. Wrong buttons! Let's go. I'm not gonna bother with these. I keep confusing the wrong button. Alright, hang on. Are there more zombies here? Yes, there are. A lot of them. Did you guys see that 3-in-1? I don't think I can click the link now, though, to be honest, to check while I'm playing. So we'll see, we'll see, we'll see. This is where I need to go, right? The far back, yeah. Yeah, looks like it. Now then, okay, there it is. Now then, okay, here we go. Here we go. Hand-operated brake. You'll need a magnetic card. What? What magnetic card? What magnetic card? Oh my goodness, what magnetic card? I was supposed to pick up a card. I was supposed to pick up a card from there. Was I supposed to pick up a card? No way. I can't switch apparently. Oh my goodness. Magnetic card. I think I needed to pick up a magnetic card from there. I'm not gonna make it now. I know I'm not. You're saying rip? Don't say rip. I don't want to die. I don't want to start over. I really don't want to start over. But I'm gonna sprint. Come on, come on, come on. Oh, no. I can do this. Can I do this? Can I make it? Will I make it? Come on. Everybody knows I left the card. Rebecca, come on! Am I gonna do this? Oh, come on! Oh, for goodness sake. I'm gonna try my best. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. There's the card, my goodness. Ah, come on! I barely hit him, but that was good. I'm okay with that. So much intense! $26, $25, $34. Come on, come on, come on, come on. I'm gonna do this. I am gonna do this. My mom was right. I do everything last minute. I keep pressing the wrong button, dang it! Gotta go fast! I keep pushing the wrong button, my goodness, instead of run! I think I'll ever get used to it. Second puzzle, all fives, then 2, 1, 1. So this is the second puzzle, yeah, the one I'm about to do. Or is this the first puzzle? This one counts as the first puzzle, I think, yeah? Alright, here we go. There's a hand operator. You don't need the magnet. Oh, come on, dang it! Why? You didn't know you had to use it? $67. So what do I do? 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 8, 8, 8, 9. Ooh, so close, so close, so close! All fives and then I'm gonna try all fives. Fives and then 2, 1, 1. No, 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 that's not it. No. No, 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 no. I'm gonna do this. What about all nines? 6, 4, 5, 6. 5. Now her.
This is Billy. I've engaged the control device for the brake. Over.
Roger. I'll put the brake on now.
All 5, she said. 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. And then 2, 1, 1. I didn't do it! I didn't do it! He said all 5s. All 5s. And then 2, 1, 1. No, 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 no! It's all 9s, it's all 9s, it's all 9s, it's all 9s! I didn't do it! I didn't do it! No! I have to start over from... No! 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 I wanna cry. I'm gonna rage quit. No, I'm not. I'm gonna start over, I don't care. Dang it. Dang it. It didn't work on 9s. Actually, no. Actually, I did not rage quit. My freaking OBS died for some reason. Just when I said rage quit as a joke. No, I didn't quit. I kid you not. I did not quit. OBS just felt like dying. If it does it again, then I'll rage quit, but it wasn't me. Stupid puzzle. Come on, it's a lame puzzle. Come on. Come on, I can start over. I can start over. I can do this. And I'm used to the controls now, more. So I don't want to save. I don't want to save. Saving is for babies. It's like a baby's toy. I don't know why my OBS quit. There we go. Keep pushing the wrong buttons again. Ah, the rage was real, eh? Come on! Yes, reloading is my worst enemy. Am I even hitting him? I wasn't. I didn't even realize David Cameron is a politician. Really? Had no idea. But no, dude, no politicians. I'll ban your ass. Istra! Always! Always! My reloading gets me in trouble. Always. Ah! Look at me, I'm damaged again. No, it's not this way. It's this way. Oh yeah, it's the one in the UK, yeah? Something like that. Yeah. Come on, go. I don't care. I don't care. I don't care about politics, so come on, let's go. Oh, it's locked, yeah. That's right. I need to catch up. I need to catch up now. No, I keep pushing buttons. Hang on. Switching. And I'm giving you some stuff. You can have this. Leave. And you can leave this. Actually, and leave this too. Hello, Sicker. Welcome to the stream. You just missed me raging hard. Actually, let's switch again. I'm playing some Wesker. We're gonna reconnect the cable, and we're gonna use some leech mucus to hold it together. Look. Let's go, Wesker. Oh my goodness. I have a tendency of pressing square. Tendency of pressing square because I want to run, but square opens the menu in this game, so I always open the menu. Yeah, moderators everywhere, but that's fine. Don't be intimidated. They're cool. They're awesome. They are lovely people. They're happy people. Okay, Kingdom is not cool nor awesome. He's just king. We had our share of rude moderators on a stream yesterday. Rude moderator on a stream yesterday. And I don't know if you know what I'm talking about, but yeah, that was really nasty. That's nasty. You weren't there? I thought you were there. On Albert Wesker's stream. Yeah, it was really nasty. But I don't want to talk about other people and their streams and other streamers. Not because I'm selfish or anything like that. No, it's just, it's not my place. It's not my place. But yeah, I thought you were there. We had some drama. Yeah, it was a mod. It was a mod. It was a mod. Lots of drama. Oh, I'm gonna be full real soon. I can't pick them up. Never mind. You know what's bad? This button that opens the menu all the time. I hate it. And my streams, when I rage quit. Actually, I didn't rage quit. OBS rage quit for me. I hate that. Okay, this time I'm going to kill the scorpion in one hit. Get out of my way! Ah, I'm full again. I don't have any... I will fill you in, Jack, then. I'll fill you in, but... privately. I will fill you in privately. I do an Albert Wesker voice. And I suck at it. And I go here. Ah, come on, I want to do this. I want, hang on. Gotta go fast! Gotta go fast! I can't go fast. Come on. That's nasty. So I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna put this here. Hang on. Let's go. Okay, we're almost there. We're almost to the point where we died. Almost. I need to do the puzzle again, huh? I'm going to leave some stuff on the floor for you. Come on. I don't need this. Leave, yes. And I don't need this. Leave, yes. So Rebecca can pick them up now. Let's heal her up. No, come on. Oh, you. I have to get up there again. Not up here, no. I forgot to ask her to follow me. My goodness, this game. Up there, yeah? I think. Nope. Wrong turn. I'm looking forward to get rid of the puzzle again. I'm nervous already. Ooh. That was a close one. Ah, he got me. How's my health?
Come.
Okay.
Actually, you know what? I don't need to make Molotovs. I have my superpower. I'm not gonna bother. Hang on a sec. Okay, never mind.
I don't need this.
Okay.
This is your chance.
Roger.
We're almost there. She was having a think about it before she's gonna shoot. She was waiting for me. How stupid. Alright, almost there. Time for the puzzle again. I see what you did there, King Tim. Alright. Back to the puzzle again. I'm not gonna save again. Come on, we can do this. This way. So we're going to the front. No, we're going this way. Hang on, it's this way.
Come.
Roger.
Speed running. Not this game, but there are other games I can speed run, like Resident Evil 0 I can speed run. Not 0. Did I say 0? I meant 2. Resident Evil 2. That I can speed run. You don't remember seeing a female zombie in Resident Evil? What? There's so many female zombies. There's many. Wrong door, buddy. There's many female zombies. Maybe not in the first game. It's hard to control him when he's speedrunning like that, huh? Speedrunning. See what I did there? Okay, time for the puzzle again. Guys, hello, help! We're back at it again. We're gonna do this. Alright, we're gonna do this. Who will stay behind? Rebecca will stay behind. Okay, so. Whatever.
I'll go over to the back.
Come on, we do this, we do this. Or as they say in Japanese, we do it though. Come on, we're gonna do this. We're gonna do it. There's no time for me to click on the link now. Come on. Run, buddy, run. Run, buddy, run. Hopefully I won't have to come back again. Come on. I didn't stop making videos. Like, what kind of videos? I make videos. I make unboxings. And I make eating insects thingies. I mean, I haven't made one of those in a while, but I've recorded a couple. I need to edit them. Ah! Ooh, did you guys see that? Like a boss. Hang on, hang on, hang on. Ooh, we need to do this. 1, 2, 3 of them. 3 of them. 3 of them. No, it was 4 of them. How cool. No, I do the unboxings. I do an unboxing every month. I do the nerd block. I got a new one. Oh, look. I didn't get that far. And I do one of those every month. And then I do the taste test. Those I haven't done in a while. I've recorded a few, but I just didn't have time. I've got a new nerd block waiting for me on the kitchen top, on the counter. I received a box of candy from Japan. It's waiting for me as well to do a taste test, sit down and eat. I wonder what stuff is in there. I still haven't opened it. I like the element of surprise and recording my reaction. Who needs infinite ammo? That's exactly what I mean, King Tim. Exactly, that's what I mean. That's why he's not carrying any. That's why he's walking like this. Chill. Like this, he's walking chill. I don't need... Oh, the time! Here goes nothing, guys. The moment of truth. Here we go, 67, 67, 67. So I was thinking maybe we do the 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8. Uh-oh. 6, 4, 5, 6. 5, 6, 7. I did that one okay. Now the next one, guys. I need help with the next one. I need help with the next one.
Gauge the control device for the brake. Over.
Roger. I'll put the brake on now.
Guys, spam it in the chat. Spam it in the chat. What do I do? Okay. What was all 5s and then a 1? What was it? What was it? What was it? What was it? Was it all 5s and a 1? I can't scroll up now. Hang on, I'm gonna scroll up now. Scroll up in the chat. That's what I can do right now. All 9s, then 6 and 3. All 9s. And then 6 and 3. It worked! It worked! It worked! It was Kingdom. Kingdom got it right. Thank you very much. And Jackhammer as well now, yeah. We did it. We did it. Yeah, I scrolled up the chat and I found the one you posted earlier. I did it. I think the hard part is over, the hard part of the game. Now I can defeat all proto-tyrants. I don't care.
Rebecca?
Look, it's almost as if Wesker cares about someone else.
Here.
Are you alright? Hey, you managed to stop the train.
Yes, we managed.
We have to find a way out.
Okay, now then. No. Help me! Help me! Actually, I should have an herb. Alright, now, what do I take? What do I leave? I don't need the gun. What's this? What is this? Oh yeah, I'll take it. There was shotgun shells on the train. This is all the stuff that was on the train on the floor. But the shotgun shells are not here. Let's go. Jack. It's true. It's true. Kingdom is right.
The Umbrella Research Center? The first general manager, Dr. James Marcus.
Who on earth are those people?
She's just a rookie, a member of STARS.
What about the male?
I'm unfamiliar with him.
Attention. This is Dr. Marcus. Please be silent as we reflect upon our company motto. Obedience breeds discipline. Discipline breeds unity. Unity breeds power. Power is life.
Who are you?
It was I who scattered the T-virus in the mansion. Needless to say, I contaminated the train, too.
What?
Revenge. On Umbrella.
Dr. Marcus?
10 years ago, Dr. Marcus was murdered by Umbrella. You helped them, didn't you?
And we're back. These long cutscenes are perfect for me to make myself a drink. I love my drink. I'm having a glass of wine for those of you wondering, and it's 2:26 p.m. I don't care. Okay. Where do I go first? Where do I go first? I'm gonna start with this door first. I have no idea where to go from here, huh? Barry! How are you, Barry? Wow. Oh, he's gonna blow! He's gonna blow! Are we in danger? Well, kind of. Let's do it. Let's have a do-over. Yeah, let's do it again. I'll take the green herb, which I'm about to use very soon, I think. Because there's gonna be another one of those as soon as I turn around. I know. Let's go. There's no need to come back here anyway. Oh, Lily. Yay! Barry! Welcome to the stream! It's been ages! How are you, Barry? Hey! Welcome, Barry. Welcome, Barry, everyone, again. I mean, not again, for the first time today. I mean. Okay, hang on. Let's go. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna leave this on the floor. No, wrong buttons. I keep pushing the wrong buttons in this game. Let's go. Leave. I'm not gonna need it for now, I think. Now then, where to next? Where to next? This is where I came from. What about this door? This door's closed. What is this? Ink ribbon. An herb, an herb, an herb. How old are you gonna be, Barry? 13? I'm just trolling. I think you're gonna be 17 if I'm not mistaken, right? Right. Combine. And what about Becca? What does she have? How do I leave? Let's give it to Becca. Becca, pick that up. Wesker throws stuff on the floor, and he's like, "You pick that up now." clean up my mess. Ah, just kidding. We're going this way. We're going this way now. 8.5. That means you're my age! Yay! Do you have anything on you? I'm not talking about the faucet, I'm talking about you, man. Do you have anything on you? No. Wesker! Wesker! Albert Wesker! Look at Wesker. This one's for you, Wesker. Look. Like a boss. I'm gonna take this one. Hang on, hang on. Clean. No cleaning for Wesker. Another shotgun. We don't need another shotgun, do we? Becca, do you need another shotgun? Can you imagine if I gave her the shotgun and she dumped it? No, but we don't need another shotgun, so we're good. We are good. Let's go. Let's get up here. Let's go. Hello. Fellow colleagues for Umbrella. Ooh, 3 of them. I'm good. I think Wesker is a mix between these two people. Well, I'm not gonna say mix between, but I think they got the inspiration of Wesker from The Matrix, for sure. For Shizzle Manizzle. Ah, man. And Cyclops from X-Men. And a bit of Terminator as well, I think. And a bit of a Terminator. He'll be back. Okay. You pick those up, Rebecca. I don't say that. Why shouldn't I say that, Pearbones? Why? Why not? Shizzle my nizzle. Hmm? And sometimes it drizzle. Come on, I keep pushing the wrong buttons. Leave. I'm gonna throw these on the floor, Rebecca. You pick them up. Okay, Master. Master Wesker. Captain Wesker. Let's go. Ah, man! Stupid drum button! Let's go. Let's go, Rebecca. 7 minutes. Which way did I come from? Which way did I come from? I don't know. Which way did I come from? Man. I forgot. Let's take this door. Yeah, he is. He is overpowered. Very overpowered, yeah. Hey, buddy. See cheese. Kamehameha! Oh, Barry. Nope. Saving is for babies. No, seriously, I can't use it? Really? But it says the candle's burnt out, so can't I just... Nope, nope. I thought I could. Never mind. So there's nothing here anymore, yeah? Nothing else, nothing else. Yes, there is something else. What's this? What is this? How did your stream go? Albert Wesker. How did your RE3 run go? You see, we're both playing the same... not the same game. We're both playing Resident Evil, but we're not playing with the actual characters. Both of us. You played as Nikolai or Mikhail? Nikolai. You were playing as Nikolai. Yeah, you need to get some rest. I'm actually worried about you. Yeah, thank you so much for stopping by, Albert. This is where it came from. Gotta go fast! I love it. So I can get rid of one puzzle item already. Hang on, I think I can get rid of another puzzle item actually. Out of my way. I can put this here, yes? No, 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 fail. I want to stream for 12 hours one of these days. I can only think of one game that would make me stream for 12 hours. And that's Minecraft. I would start a new world and see how far I get in 12 hours. I would love to do that. What is this? I'll take it. Now there's gonna be a crash. There you go. And let's get out. Thank you for the info, Barry. That's very useful information. It's locked. Wait a minute. Okay, never mind. Let's go. Wait. No, that's it. Okay. Did I go through this door? Not sure. Do you think it would get boring? I mean, boring for me or for the viewers? That is my question. I don't think it would get boring for me, for sure. Never. Never. You want in as in, you want to play with me? I mean, yeah, sure, you're welcome. Everybody's welcome to join in on that day, because I would need some, I would require some company. I understand. I don't expect to be there for like 12 hours, of course, but I'm already confused. Where do I go from here? No, wrong button. Let's see. What's this? Microfilm A. Examine. It says, insert to project view this con. Yeah. I don't know. My goodness, I keep pressing the wrong button to run. Alright, let's try again. Look, it's Proto Sam! Welcome, Sam! Welcome. I'm playing some Wesker. Not sure what I need to do here. What's this? I've only finished this game once. It's been a while. So it's almost as if it's a blind run. Like this guy. He's running blind. But it's fun to play as Wesker, and he has special superpowers in this game, so it's nice to play a Resident Evil game with superpowers. I haven't played Minecraft in a while. I haven't played Minecraft in over a year. And I mean PC, not PS, exactly. Where do I go from here? I don't know. So yeah, I'll sort something out. Maybe I can get rent one of those realms for a day, or not for a day anyway. You can get it for a month. I'm pretty convinced that this. No, it doesn't work. Ah. Oh, look at that. I missed this area because of the camera angles. Okay, so what I do is this. No, actually, you know what? I think I have to do it, though. No. Let's make her turn it around.
You stay here.
Fine.
Let's see if I can go up there as him. Sometimes there are areas that it doesn't look like Rebecca can use it. Sigh. Oh wow, it only carries 2. Okay, so Now to reload, it's better if I do this right away. There's gonna be another one here, yeah? There you go. Take that. Rest in pieces. So the little clock, minute hand is missing from the dial. I'm gonna take this. Really? Already? Never mind then, leave it there. Stupid buttons! I don't think there's anything down here. No, I can't reach it, so... I need Wesker in my life. I go down here. Because of the camera angle, certain areas look like they're hidden. Let's see. No! The freaking reloads! Okay. Okay, so here's what's gonna happen. Come on, pick up the shells, my goodness. Look at that. Unfreaking-believable. It won't pick up the shells. Oh my goodness. Now then, I think it's... Oh, wrong button, wrong button, wrong button. I think it's time to say goodbye to Prince Abubu. No, can't find. I think we have to say goodbye to the... Hang on. Hang on. I need to think. You know what? I'm gonna leave them here. Leave. Because I need the grenade launcher. It's fantastic. Probably takes 2 spaces, yeah? Yeah? Yeah, it does. And leave this behind as well for now. No, not examine. Leave. Wrong button. This is the way I came in. This is the other door. Probably it's locked. Yep. Water motif, yeah? Yep. Take a sip of wine. And where does this take me? Aha! Okay. Still, I have missing parts. Okay, doke. So now, where do I go from here? Oh yeah, I know. I know, I read your tweet, and I was so jelly. Yeah, I heard. Maybe I should go. Maybe I should go. Maybe I should. I'm thinking, because it's 2017, it's next year. Maybe I should go. You know, I'm seriously considering it. Because I told you I have to go to Amsterdam anyway. So might as well hit two birds with one stone. Amsterdam, stone, Amsterdam, stone, stone, Amsterdam. I'm kidding, I'm kidding. But yeah, you know, I got lost now. Where was I gonna go? I had the place. Yes, I remember. It's not the place, is it? This is not the... No, hang on. Nope, this is not the room. April's good weather. Good weather. Well, I don't know what's it like in Amsterdam. Good weather. What's the weather like in Amsterdam in April? Is it still chilly? Is it t-shirt weather in April? Hang on, Becca, I'm gonna give you an herb. Pick it up. Yeah, but Sam, do you mean the one in Amsterdam? I don't think so, eh?
You stay here.
Fine.
This way.
Fine.
Yeah, April is spring. It is spring. You know how weird we had a thunderstorm yesterday in Malta? It was warm, it was still warm. Very warm. But we had a thunderstorm. And it rained and it rained and it rained. I think it rained more than it did the whole winter. So weird. Okay. The one in California. I think the one in California will be better than the one in Amsterdam, but I don't even know European YouTubers. YouTube gaming doesn't count. Oh crap. you should, if you should go to Amsterdam. If you go to Amsterdam, I'll go. If Sam goes to Amsterdam, I'll go. No, I can't commit by saying that, but no, I'm thinking about going already. Would be nice. All right, now this part. I hate this part. I hate this part. Oh, come on! Come on, man! You have to leave this behind. Leave. Oh, I can't leave it there, seriously. Ah, you're so picky. You are so picky, game. What about here? Nope, still nothing. What about here? You okay with this? No, I used it! Problem solved. Ah, man! Yeah, it's true, PewDiePie. Yes, PewDiePie. Yeah, he's my idol. I love PewDiePie so much. The millipede is like, come here, you. I love you.
Rebecca.
I would love to have a meetup in Amsterdam. Millipede, where are you? Or centipede? 2 hits. 2 hits is all it took. All it took is just 2 hits. 2 hits. 2 hits of laser eyes.
Rebecca. Are you all right?
Yes, thank you.
Okay, we're good. We're good. We're good. Now then, we're both fine, but she picked up something. And she's gonna give it to me. Leave. You guys are funny. What do you mean? You treat the whole thing like a week-long party. The thing is this. There's so many things I need to do in Amsterdam. You know, I think VidCon won't be just a day. Yeah, probably be like a 2 or a 3 day thing. Yeah, I'd probably just attend one day. However, because I would have other things to do. You know how it is. Because if I go to Amsterdam, it's gonna be for probably 4 days maximum. So out of those 4 days, maybe I can dedicate 2 of them. I don't know. We'll see. I picked up. Let's check it out. Oh, wrong button. This game has all the buttons mixed up. Okay, so this is the fire, yeah. Examines. There it is. We just need to find the fire doors. I don't know where they are. Let's start from here. We'll see. Have you ever been to Europe, Sam? Good door. I don't know if I told you this, Barry. I've been twice to Amsterdam. I told you this, yeah, I remember telling you, yeah. I told you. I told you! I told you, didn't I tell you? 'Cause I told you. Yeah, I remember telling you. Hey, you've been to the UK. That's lovely. Where in the UK? London? If you don't mind me asking, as always. That's all I needed from this room? There's nothing else? Is that it? Is that it? I think that's it. Now then, which way, which way? I don't know. You see, without item management, because I don't really have to worry much about item management since Wesker is not carrying any guns and ammo. So with that in mind, I think I'm remembering the maps better. I'm remembering the rooms where I need to go and everything. No, this is the wrong room. Just after saying that that I memorized the rooms. London's lovely. I've been to London once. What about this door? This one's locked. That one I'm not going because of crows. Okay, so it has to be this one. Has to be this one, for sure. For sure. Wait a minute, you went to Amsterdam. How did you not realize? How did you not realize, buddy? So many questions. I did go through red light district without knowing that I was going through it until I saw the ladies. Okay. Calm down, Wesker. Calm down. What is this switch? Flip it. And there was light. Get up there! Get up! No, don't push. Get up there. Okay, I realized something. Okay, hang on. I realized something. And Wesker needs to do this. Move, move, move. Get out of the way.
You stay here.
You're kidding me. I can't. Come on. This is the kind of stuff that I hate when it comes to Resident Evil games. Everything needs to be precise. Iron needle. Let's take it. This looks useful.
Come.
Okay.
Okay, so we're done here. Let's go. Not sure where that door takes me. Where do I go from here? That is the question. Wrong button again. Okay. I'm just gonna run around until I find the rooms that I'm looking for. I know where I need to go, it's just I don't know where these rooms are. One of them is here. I'm taking the long way around, but at least I know exactly where it is. Guys, I still haven't figured out how to use stupid Stream Warrior. I can't get the stupid notifications to work. I log in and it links the account and I get my recent subs and the exact number of subs that I have. It just won't work. It just won't work. I don't know why. Look, I'm gonna open it up right now. Look, I did everything correctly. I am sure it just refuses to work. Hold on. Hang on. Give it a sec. It won't load now. Fantastic. Let's try again. Okay, so it's live, okay, and if I press test, this is how my this is the notification. I did set it up, and I did set up an image and a sound and everything, and when I press T to test it, I get the fake notification, kind of, but it just won't work. Look, I'm gonna press T. This is what it should sound like. This is what it sounds like. Why can't I get it to work? It's hilarious. It's hilarious. I don't know why. I want it to work. I don't know why. It just won't work. But come on, it's hilarious, the fart. There are people, and it just blames the person who subscribed. I just love it. I just love it. I don't know why it's not working though. Makes me sad. It all works half the time for you. I don't get it. And I really want to donate to this guy. He created such an amazing application. It works it works perfectly fine for others, but not me. I want to donate, but I don't want to donate unless it works. I'm rambling, I'm sorry. Let's keep playing. Oh no, what time does it need to be? Oh no, what time does it have to be? I don't know. I don't know what time it needs to be. Does anyone know in the chat? So many possible combinations. I'm gonna look it up. I don't care. I am going to look it up. RE0 clock puzzle. How do I solve the puzzle? This was one heck of an answer. It says you just need the needle. What? Okay. 8:15. It needs to be 8:15. There we go. Hello, Dead Rabbit. Welcome to the stream. We just figured out that it's 8 o'clock. Well, okay, so 8:15. No. Right. It's gonna be 8:15. Our hand. We're playing some Resident Evil 0, but with Wesker. Here we go, here we go. It's gonna happen, it's gonna happen. No, leave it as it is. Okay, that's it. 8:15. I wouldn't have guessed it in a million years, huh? I just unlocked the door. Another door. Let's go. Run, buddy, run! Actually, you know what, Rebecca? Take them out. No, actually, you can't take them out because I got rid of the gun now. I'm not gonna shoot them with shotgun, as if. Now where do I go? Okay, there was a door here. Let's change. I prefer being Wesker. Move out of my way! So. This is the door. Let's check it out. Whoa, 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 whoa. I got scared for the first time in this game. Phew. Phew. GG game. GG. Pick those up, girl. Another disc. Do I combine these? I don't know what needs to be done with the discs, to be honest with you. Combine. No, it's just an A and a B. Anything else? Calm down, buddy. Calm down. Let's go. We need to find out where the other door is now. Actually, there's 2 doors I need to find. Let's start looking. Let's start from downstairs. So we go through here. What's over here? I've never been here. Ah, okay. Whoa, 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 whoa. Let her go.
Ow! Oh!
How's your head, buddy? Oh, you're on caution. Pick it up, girl. I don't want you dying on me. What about this shotgun? How many? Let's see if this one's better. This one takes 7. Rebecca, get ready to dump your shotgun. Leave. Yes. No, wrong button. Okay, leave. Go take the other one. Nope. Yay, we found another room that I need. Okay, so what we do is use this. No! Ah, I need to combine it, of course. Combine with this and then use. He was carrying a dead lighter with him. Very useful, Wesker. You pick those up. The good book. Okay, so inside the good book there should be... Examine. Open it up. Wings. Anything else that I might need? Nothing. Let's go. There's another unlocked door that I opened with the clock. I don't know what it is. Oh, I remember. I remember. Left and right, right. Thank you. Combine it. And put it back. No. Still unbalanced. We need another wing. Okay, so I know where to go next. Let's go. We're almost there. This is it. This is the door. Okay, now I know what I need to do. Yes. I need to put these in here. A. And B. Alright, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. A, B, C, D, E, F. Okay, I think I got it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, A, B, C, D, E, F. Okay, I memorized it. VMO disk. Anything else here? Rebecca. I just realized she's not even carrying a gun. Very useful, Rebecca. Equip. Let's go. And I need to go up there. Zero A. Okay, here we go. Zero A. So it starts 0, 1, 2, 3, yes? So 0. Move. What? Oh my goodness. So I'll stay here.
I don't need this.
Roger.
So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. A. This has to be A. This has to be A. So Wesker goes first. He pushes it. Then we change and I push it. Something happened. Awesome. One heck of a security system.
This is your chance.
Roger.
Whoa! Whew, okay. Oh, wow, this is hard. This is hard. Oh my goodness. Oh my god, I forgot how hard this was. It's a chessboard. The games appear to have ended in checkmate. So 2 up there, and 2 up there, and 1 over there. You stay here.
Stay there.
Roger.
Oh, I wish you didn't have to stay there. Okay. Oh my goodness, am I gonna die if I don't do this right? I need to look at it again. There's... Okay. 2 in the corner. The one with the head is right underneath it. The one with the head has like a little head on it. This one. Ah, come on. I can't push it though. Hang on, let's try again. Nope. No, 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 don't you dare die. Don't you dare die. Don't you dare die. Don't you dare die. Oh my goodness, don't you dare die. Oh my goodness. That was so close. How are we health-wise? Both of us are poisoned. Fantastic. I'm just gonna get out of here. Hang on. Ah, he's poisoned. Poor Wesker. I can't afford to make a mistake. I'm gonna put the controller down and look this up. I don't want to die. I haven't saved. Hang on. Okay, I'm back. I did it right. I was just gonna do it differently. That's the thing. Okay. I was gonna do it right. There we go. Dang it, we're both poisoned now. I don't care. And we got the wing. Let's go. We're done here. Where am I gonna find the blue herb? I need to find 2 of them, actually. Oh, why is she not following me?
Come.
Roger.
Okay, we're good, we're good, we're good. Now then, 1 each. I'll take 1. Wow, I'm on danger. Ouch. Oh, you're freaking kidding me, Rebecca. I think I can use it, no? Use. No, just use. We're both on danger. Fantastic, huh? Oh, first aid spray. So here's what we're gonna do. Leave it on the floor. Take the spray. She's fine. And he's on caution. I just need to look out for myself. Anything else in here? Get out. Let's go. Actually, let's check out this door real quick. See what's inside. I mean, what's outside. Nothing. And I need a battery. Battery. Let's go. Move. No, move! Spooder attack. Oh yes, fantastic. Still not gonna be enough, huh? You see? I told you.
I'm almost there.
I'm glad I could be of service. Time to go inside.
Welcome back, Luca! Welcome back, we progressed a lot. There's a puzzle here. I forgot what it does. Power supply control panel. In the room. Adjust the panel. Yes. Flip the first switch up. And up again. And up again. Maybe one down. And another down. No! It didn't work. Let's try again. Ah, come on. Yes. I thought it was the last switch. Last switch, that's why I went, come on. Good. Release the monkeys!
I have already claimed this place for myself, which means you are trespassing. And I am very territorial.
Emily! Oh no! Alright, this is very, very, very tricky now. Oh, more cutscenes.
It makes sense. Do you honestly believe this to be the real identity of that crazy young man? Impossible. But if somehow it is true, then Umbrella will be finished.
If the old conspiracy against Dr. Marcus is revealed, Mr. Spencer's career will be over. Not to mention ours, too. So, the time has come at last.
What are you going to do?
I will simply say goodbye to Umbrella. The biological weapon utilizing the T-virus has almost been completed. Our only remaining task is to acquire combat data.
You can't be serious. I refuse to abandon my work. I have finished the research on the T-virus, but I need a little more time to complete the more powerful G-virus.
Do as you wish. I will follow my initial plan and lure the STARS members into the mansion. Their superior combat training should make them perfect test subjects.
Fine. In the meantime, something must be done about that madman. As I recall, URC is equipped with a self-destruct device in the basement. I'll find it, set it off, and annihilate the place to nothing more than a mass of rubble.
She's hanging. She's hanging. No need to be sorry, Emily. It's so sweet. It's alright. You have a life. I have a life. No, I don't. Yeah, I do. No, I don't. Let's go. I don't know how to get there now. I don't know. There we go. Pressing the wrong buttons again. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. I'm confused now. I don't know where I need to go, huh? I'm very, very confused. There's gonna be monkeys everywhere now. Let's see what's inside this door real quick. I'm sure you do. Hang on. Oh yeah. Okay, we're good, we're good. I'll pick these up for her later. I don't know where I need to go. I don't know where I need to go. I keep pressing the wrong button. Nope, 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 nope. Hang on, that's where she is. No. I can see her down below. She looks like she could fall at any moment. You've got to save her before it's too late. Where do I go? No, no. No, 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 I can't have this. Oh, I think I'm gonna die. One of us is gonna die, either me or Rebecca. I'm scared. I'm scared I'm not gonna do this. This is just as stressful as the train bit. No, no. I'm confused. I don't know where I need to go. I'm coming. I think. Maybe here? I don't think so. Well, he got up, so I think we're going the right way. I think. This way, this way, this way. I'm sure it's this way. I'll pick these up real quick, real quick, real quick. Come on, come on, come on, come on. I'm on danger again. Wow. Combine, combine, combine. Use. What the heck? Use. Still on caution, my goodness. I think I'm going the right way. More monkeys, I assume. That means I'm going the right way. I keep going straight. No! Get away from me, monkeys! I think it's this one. I'm so confused. No, not the right way. Not the right way. No! No, 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 no. I feel I'm not gonna make it. Nope, nope, wrong way again. It's not the right place. Get out of my way! So that means I have to go this way, this way, this way. I'm stressing out. No. No.
Rebecca! Hang on. I'll pull you up.
I did it. I don't know how, but I did it.
Thank you.
Don't mention it. Just keeping my word. We promised to cooperate with each other. Remember?
This is Rebecca, over.
Rebecca, this is Enrico. Have you managed to locate Cohen yet? Over. Rebecca, answer me.
No, sir. I have not found him yet. I'll continue to search for him, over.
Rebecca.
My first mission, and I've already disobeyed orders. So much for my great law enforcement career. Oh well, I probably won't live long enough to worry about it. Billy, I just need to know. I need to know the truth. Did you kill 23 people? I'm not going to judge you. I just want to know the truth.
It was around this time last year.
Oh, bathroom break. This might take a while.
Our unit was ordered to Africa to intervene in a civil war. Our mission was to raid a hideout of some guerrilla forces located deep inside the jungle. But the hideout was far away from our entry point. Some died from the heat. Others were killed by the enemy. In the end, only 4 of us survived. Lee, there was no guerrilla hideout.
What do you mean?
The idiots in charge had us operating based on wrong information. But we couldn't just go back home empty-handed, oh no. Our leader ordered us to attack an innocent village.
Get rid of them! Kill them all!
Please, sir! Ceasefire immediately!
Shut up! Do it!
So did you execute those innocent people?
Forget about it. Doesn't matter anymore. That was then, this is now. Besides, you said you wouldn't judge me.
I'm not judging you, but it does matter. Look, now my people think you killed those MPs in the van, but I don't think you did. It was those zombie dogs, right? When they attacked the van, you were able to escape. Isn't that right?
You don't get it. I've only got 2 choices left. Either report to the Marines and serve out my sentence, or keep on running for as long as I can. That's all.
Okay, back. He's still hurt, poor guy. Nothing I can do. I'm on caution. Oh, these are for you. Let's go. Ah, stupid monkeys! Help! Oh, I died. I died. No. No, I should have saved. Oh. Oh man. Okay, I'm not gonna try it again. This is the second time I die. I'm not gonna try it again. So I guess that's it. That's where I'm gonna rage quit. I'm not raging. I'm not really raging. I think it's time for me to end the stream because I've been streaming for a while now. Time for me to eat something and then take a nap. Thanks to everyone who showed up. I know. Rip City. I'll try this again. I am not done. But not today. Not today. I'm gonna eat something and then take a nap. Thanks to everyone who showed up. Thank you so much, and I'll see you next time.